Question everyone is asking, are cryptos, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, altcoins, are they going to continue to go down? Are we in a very strong bear market? Is there a recession? All of these questions people are freaking out. They're asking, they have no idea about, but in this video, we are going to be talking about exactly where cryptos are headed, what is going on with cryptos, and what is most likely going to be happening the next couple of days and this week included. So make sure you smash up the like button, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know in the comments below, do you think we are near the crypto market bottom? And if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade alerts and market updates to let you know when the market is about to sell off before it goes up, the technical analysis updates and buy alerts, you can even copy all of my exact trades as a crypto day trader. Join the Patreon, especially tier 3, where you can get access to even speaking to me on the phone and getting access to copy all of my exact trades. And even consider going to MYLESGinvestments.com, where you can watch my video course that I teach you all of my secrets in investing in cryptocurrency. And I have a whole bunch of services over there to make you money in crypto. So getting straight to the point and straight into the video. Cryptocurrencies have been crashing. They've been going down quite violently, even though in the midst of it, we've been having some bullish moves. We've had some green weeks, we've had some green days, but we are continuing to go down. And ever since, the 28th of March, cryptos have been in a very strong and violent downtrend. But downtrends can only last for so long. As we see, every major downtrend or crash has resulted in a very big bounce. And this happens with pretty much every stock and every cryptocurrency. Now, the funny thing is, if we zoom out, we actually zoom out of this range, we can see that Bitcoin has actually been going higher every single crash, and the peaks continually get higher as well. So if we zoom out, Bitcoin to a degree is bullish, but in the immediate short term, which means if we zoom in really close to what's happening the last couple of days, the last couple of weeks, we are bearish. Bitcoin continues to break down because of all the FUD, all the economical news that is affecting cryptos and the stock market. So right now, this weekend, the last couple of days, after a major drop, cryptos have traded sideways for quite some time. They have really not even moved because the stock market and the futures market for stocks are closed, and they are going to open up tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern time. And I personally think that we are overdue for a bounce and very likely going to be experiencing a bounce here in the immediate short term. That's what the technicals are pointing to. And this does affect Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and any altcoin that you hold. So we are looking at Bitcoin to measure what is happening with the crypto market, because the whole crypto market moves off of Bitcoin. That does include every single altcoin. So cryptocurrencies right now are trading sideways, and we are waiting for basically Sunday night and Monday morning, which after major red weeks usually end up being the days where cryptos end up bouncing up. And in addition to that, Wednesday, the 11th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, there is going to be the CPI reading, which is the inflation reading. The last times the CPI reading has been read and posted, we have seen a very bullish move in the crypto market as a bullish reaction to the news, because the news ends up being historical. Inflation keeps getting higher and higher, and that is a hedge against inflation. Cryptocurrencies are a hedge against inflation. So that type of news is very bullish for cryptos, and that's why we do see bullish moves. So I personally think between now and Thursday, cryptos from our current level will probably end up being a lot higher, or at least a good degree higher. And I do think that after that bounce, not that we have bottomed out or there's any indication that we are at the bottom of a market, but I do believe that the downwards trend, even if we get a nice bounce, is probably going to continue unless Bitcoin starts breaking major resistance levels back to back to back. That actually might confirm that we are bullish and that we are in a bull trend, potentially about to enter back into a bull market. Now, if I just go ahead and open up Bookmap, where we can see all the hidden info with the whales, what they're doing with these major buy orders. Bookmap is a program where we can see all the buy and sell orders, all the orders for cryptocurrencies and all the exchanges. And what we can see is that there is major levels of buying, that there is major liquidity in these higher ranges, which means that the whales are expecting a bounce. They are looking forward to a very big bounce. And that is what is very, very likely. So in my opinion, cryptocurrencies right now are very bearish, but we are overdue for a bounce. We are overdue for a bounce. We're most likely going to continue to go down even after the bounce. But at some point, cryptos have to bottom out. And if cryptocurrencies don't bounce, there is obviously a very high chance, even if they don't bounce, there's a high chance based on the current chart pattern now that cryptocurrencies are going to head lower and probably test these lower support levels. And for Bitcoin, that's 34,000 next, 32,000, and then 28,000. And from our current position, these are 10% moves plus, which means that altcoins will probably see 12%, 15%, 20% moves to the downside. That is my analysis. So that is my current analysis for altcoins and cryptocurrencies, where we are headed. Make sure you check out my new channel where it's just Bitcoin. I have a Bitcoin trading and technical analysis, MYLESG trading. If you want to get access to those trade alerts, you want to learn technical analysis, you can go to Patreon or you can go to MYLESG Investments. You can sign up both over there. And if you want to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, open up an iTrust Capital account with the link in my video description. If you open up and fund an account, you can trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, and they are giving a really awesome Bitcoin deposit bonus if you deposit crypto into that account. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Smash up the like button, blow up the comment section, share this video with a friend and family member, and I will see you all later.